Attention reactor control personnel, you are to activate heating systems immediately before the reactor core reaches 100 Kelvin. You are now permitted to activate the emergency power laser with low function to ensure adequate heating is applied. Welcome to the Innovation Incorporated Thermal Power Plant. Attention. Any, Sector C, reactor control personnel, please report status immediately. Attention all facility personnel, a code yellow directive has been issued effective immediately to all sectors. All non-essential employees and visitors are to evacuate to facility topside immediately. Attention all personnel, the reactor core has reached 100 Kelvin. Insufficient power output to operate nominal facility operations. Please prepare for an autonomous automatic reactor core shutdown sequence and evacuate the core chamber immediately. Disconnecting reactor core from the power grid. Success. Diverting power from thermal generators. Success. Now initiating reactor shutdown sequence. Please cease all facility operations immediately. Shutting down power laser 1. Success. Power laser 2. Success. Power laser 3. Success. Power laser 4. Success. Reactor core power lasers offline. Shutting down stabilization ring. Shutdown success. Lowering stabilization ring. Lowering magma crystal. Deactivating stabilization laser. Deactivation complete. All core systems offline. Reactor core shutdown sequence success. All facility personnel and visitors are to proceed to topside immediately. Facility main functions offline. Reactor core startup sequence now available. Attention all personnel, personnel, the facility reactor core startup protocol has been confirmed and initiated. Please ensure all systems are nominal and evacuate the core chamber immediately. Rerouting backup power to reactor startup initiation. Startup will occur in T-10 seconds. Activating reactor stabilization lasers. Stabilization lasers online. Raising magma crystal to center position. Position locked. Raising reactor stabilization ring. Powering up. Complete. Reactor core successfully stabilized. Commencing power laser activation. Powering up laser 1. Success. Powering up laser 2. Success. Powering up laser 3. Success. Powering up laser 4. Success. Power lasers activation complete. Commencing coolant systems. Coolant pumps online. Activating coolant lasers. Coolant lasers online. All systems nominal. Facility now operating at full power. Reactor core startup protocol complete. Reactor core online. Attention, any Innovation Intelligence Agency member, prosecute Kilo, Lima, India, with extreme force. Dr. McVinney, Dr. Ryman, and Dr. Bergman, please report to Materials Complex for audit review, scheduled in 15 minutes. Joke of the day, my dentist offered me dentures for only $1. It sounded like a good deal at first, but now I have buck teeth. Attention, automated AI core diagnostics in progress. Minor interruptions to facility services are expected. Hazardous anomaly detected. 14. Attention all reactor control personnel, the reactor core temperature has reached 500 Kelvin. Please deactivate all cooling systems and activate heating systems immediately to prevent the reactor core from inoperation. Attention all personnel, the reactor core has reached 100 Kelvin. Insufficient power output to operate nominal facility operations. Please prepare for an autonomous automatic reactor core shutdown sequence and evacuate the core chamber immediately. Disconnecting reactor core from the power grid. Success. Diverting power from thermal generators. Success. Now initiating reactor shutdown sequence. Please cease all facility operations immediately. Shutting down coolant lasers. Coolant lasers offline. Shutting down coolant pump alpha. Shutdown success. Shutting down power laser 1. Success. Power laser 2. Success. Power laser 3. Success. Power laser 4. Success. Reactor core power lasers offline. Shutting down stabilization ring. Shutdown success. Lowering stabilization ring. Position locked. Warning, an unknown shutdown error has occurred. The reactor core is unstabilized. A service technician has been requested. Please continue to make your way to topside immediately. Reactor core temperatures are dropping.
It's not shutting down!
Warning, core temperature is critically low. Operations at low temperatures may damage reactor core equipment. Still unable to resume autonomous reactor shutdown. Reactor failure warning. Temperature reading failure. Unable to reconnect. The last recorded temperature reading was 0. Any reactor core service technician is to investigate shutdown error immediately. Warning, facility temperatures are dropping. Maximizing facility heat and ventilation.
Hey guys, the man wants to research that what's something about negative Kelvin not being possible, so please do that. You make me nice chemical going.
Extreme nature, a major pressure buildup in the reactor magma crystal. A reactor core scan suggests that a magma crystal implosion may occur. The investigation is underway. Please prepare for a potential emergency evacuation. Warning, a manual code red directive has been placed by the site director. Please evacuate this emergency bunker or any other secondary evacuation points immediately. This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill. Attention. Special Order 938 received. Executing total reactor power purge. Any personnel still present in the reactor core chamber are to exit immediately. Attention, the space shuttle has been confirmed for launch ignition. The secondary evacuation procedure is now viable. Please evacuate to the secondary evacuation zone immediately, located in topside, atmospheric and space research and technology, rocket launch platform. Visitors have priority. Launch control coordinator, please input immediately. Launch control coordinator disconnected. Now initiating the automated self-launch procedure. This automated computer-controlled shuttle launch has been sent to secondary evacuation mode. Setting on route to Innovation Odessa Station. The maximum seating capacity is 20. Visitors and other important personnel receive priority. Attention all personnel, please enter the space shuttle immediately. Estimated shuttle launch in T-minus 80 seconds. Now raising shuttle into launch position. Stay seated at all times. You can no longer board the space shuttle at this time. Checking for launch status. Interplanetary test conductor. Check. Tank and booster conductor. Check. Internal energy core conductor. Check. Autopilot flight director. Check. Life support systems. Check. Launch processing systems. Check. Safety console coordinator. Check. Weather is nominal. The space shuttle launch status is go. Proceed to launch in T-minus 20 seconds. Go for main engine start. 6, 5, 3, plus 10 seconds. All systems nominal. Launch successful. All remaining personnel are to evacuate to other remaining evacuation points immediately. Warning. Reactor core chamber temperatures extremely low. Unable to connect with reactor core systems. Complete core chamber containment seal success. Alert. A complete facility-wide blackout has occurred. Please continue following evacuation procedures and stay with security officers at all times. Security danger. Multiple high-level containment breaches detected in sub-level 2. Containment area. Turret defense systems online. All remaining personnel in sub-level 2 are to evacuate to your nearest evacuation shelter immediately. All elevators have been locked down to ensure the safety of the upper areas of the facility. Alert. An executive override and further evacuation order has been issued. Head of Science, Dr. Freeman. Primary evacuation zone. Emergency bunker is now easily effective. Repeat. The emergency bunker is now ineffective. All evacuation routes are now redirected to topside, atmospheric and space research and technology, space shuttle secondary evacuation zone. Override region. Complete explosion of the reactor core as a green black hole formation has been reported. Extreme hazard warning. Containment seal unable to contain the black hole for long. Please evacuate the facility immediately. Attention. A distress signal has been issued. Head of Science, Dr. Freeman. The facility is under threat of an immediate disaster scenario. Anonymous Materials Relief Task Force Unit, Kappa 9 has entered the facility. All remaining facility personnel are to assist the unit in securing the facility from the anonymous disaster event. Hazardous environments warning. Reactor containment seal breach detected in reactor control. A containment seal breach is now personnel in progress. Evacuate area immediately. An automatic complete facility-wide lockdown has been activated. Hazardous environments warning. The containment seal breach has penetrated the facility ventilation system. Extreme sub-zero temperature conditions detected. All sectors. Alert. At 3:47 p.m. A national state of emergency was declared by the Prime Minister of Japan. Executive orders for the complete evacuation of the Kagoshima Prefecture has been issued. Two temporary entities, Innovation Incorporated Thermal Power Plant will continue its own facility evacuations. Do not leave the facility compound. Extreme danger. The chamber containment seal structure will be incredibly low. Estimated complete within the region program. T-minus 50 seconds.
These guys are cold. I'm glad I brought my jacket today.
Goodbye. And here we are again. Did you miss me? How many countless lives have you torn apart this time? You know why you're here, and it's always nice for you and I to have these little chats. That was one of the most phenomenal spectacles I have ever witnessed. Creating a literal black hole and destroying the entire planet along with billions of lives gone in an instant. I didn't know you can mess something up this bad, and I don't think they sent you there to destroy everything. But you sure are good at doing that. What's more is that you missed the chance to escape in the most dramatic and awesome way possible, on an actual space shuttle. Anyways, thank you for the entertainment. A majority of humanity and human society is now gone, and what's left of you guys are left alone forever floating endlessly in the cosmos. As always, I'll see you later, and maybe you shouldn't go destroying everything next time. I'll grow used to it, you know?